Welcome, Armstrong, your real estate agent and advocate. We are here to see the lovely home on Presidio Drive in Green Park. This is 4848 Presidio. The beauty of this home is the historical location, as you may know it to be View Park, but also the Black Beverly Hills. So come on in. Oh, welcome home. Once again, Armstrong, your real estate agent and advocate here at 4848 Presidio Drive. Come right on in. Let's have a beautiful look at this awesome home. Here you can come and paint, whether you want to extend it to the outdoor deck or keep it internal in our living quarters. All up to you. What a lovely decor as well. As you may know, one of the things that is coveted by View Park is its views, right? So when you come outside here, you're able to get a view of the city a little beyond those trees and homes, and you have a very nice serene setting with the trees to help you enjoy your day, have your coffee within the home. There is the dining room. Nice little walk through to the dining room. Some people are used to having an open concept, but older homes, in fact, would keep the dining room separate. But since there are so many lovely walkways, it gives a great flow, give you the impression that it's open nonetheless. Come on into the kitchen. We'll do all the work. Lovely granite countertops and a lovely stove top, 4 burners, and then one for a grill. Now, the cabinets have special, particular, almost like custom cabinets. Nice particular design and very wonderful for the home that you have here. Off of the kitchen, you have the laundry room and the powder room. So this is the guest powder room, little 2-piece. A great amount of closet space for your linen, and looks like a coat closet as well. So great maximized space right here. And these are the kind of details that most modern homes do not focus on anymore. So being in View Park, getting a home such as this has been updated and yet still remains certain character is a major focus. Into the office. Here's an office or a den. It has a fireplace. Right now it's set up as an office. You can use it as a small den if you would like. And if you needed to turn it into a small bedroom, you could. You could have better space here. Okay, so from the office, we have the foyer area with this lovely detailed banister. This is French fry. You can get upstairs and it's real behind all the bedrooms. We have 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Go upstairs with the hallway bathroom. Granite tub and independent shower, and a view. Can't get over the view, right? And this goes into the bedroom. Lots of lovely natural light. The sun isn't even shining in this room. It's extremely bright. You can see the view from here. Palm trees, looking into downtown LA, maybe a little bit of Hollywood. It's gorgeous outside. Once again, the sun's not even out. You have a beautiful view. Upstairs linen closet. These are things that kind of get lost in some newer homes, so it's really nice to see that when they rehab this home, they didn't take this out. This is very special to have. Here is one of the smaller bedrooms. They were using it for a child's room. It's like oversees the street, the neighbors, and then it jack and jills into this bathroom. Closet space. Bathroom with the shower big enough for 2, maybe 3, depending on what you like to do. And another closet space for this other bedroom here. I think this bedroom is a little bit bigger than the other one we just left, but they do have the jack and jill, so they share that one bathroom and a view of the front yard. Another linen closet, and this way back when used to be the ironing board, built-in ironing board. How cool is that? Alright, very nice. And for our last bedroom, the 4th bedroom, here tucked away, nice little guest bedroom. Its own small walk-in closet here. Alright, so that has been a great view of a historical neighborhood as we know it to be the Black Beverly Hills, one of its pristine locations in View Park at 4848 Presidio Drive. I just love the balcony. I think my life would be spent here. Coffee, tea, whatever. As long as it wasn't raining, this would be my space for the most part. Very lovely day. So welcome to